喺蘇格蘭嘅專題報道，喺蘇格蘭政府嘅5年過2年計劃當中，角色挺重要嘅，都係過2年教育。比如講，今年蘇格蘭嘅財政全面檢索，唔過2023能夠多邊嘅80萬英鎊用喺睇過2年嘅教育。都因為按呢，教育係以能更加過2年復甦，清顯看得到嘅成果。用實際嘅數據來看，2001年嘅普查資料看得到，會講過2年嘅人比1991年少為11%。唔過喺來看上到24歲嘅民眾，會講也嘅過年化嘅人，相比10年前略嘅變多嘅。但係貴嘅調查還看得到，也過2年嚟過會土韓國社會人分配成長嘅7.5%同10%。而呢嘅後扎屯政府都認為，也係對全過2年教育政策前正面嘅肯定。
蘇格蘭嘅過2年教育係1985年開始，分別到高鐵行政中心 Inverness， 然後蘇格蘭提出提供 Glasgow， 成立完全用過2年教學嘅小學。我解釋者主動接觸過2年教育嘅學生啊，並冇幾多。經過1/4學期嘅推廣，連全蘇格蘭超過4000個學生啊，都學校除了英文學，其他嘅科目逐漸係透過過2年學習。尤其過2年使用率最高嘅西部大列，將佢時尚嘅學生啊，先切圖將過2年學教。
I chose Stornoway Primary School because the school that's close to me doesn't have a Gaelic medium at all. So my parents wanted me to keep Gaelic, and so I came to the school.
If you can choose by yourself, will you still choose Stornoway or the 1 year?
I'd still choose Stornoway.
What's the reason?
Because there's Gaelic.
Is it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm not really from here, but my father is from here, is from Scotland, so I kind of count as myself as Scottish, so I really like Gaelic. It's very fun to learn.
Although I'm not a Gaelic speaker, my own family came from an Irish Gaelic background, and my wife's family were Gaelic speakers, and therefore we felt it was very important that our own children were brought up in a Gaelic culture and were able to speak their native language. We felt it was the best opportunity for them to become fluent in their native language was for them to attend Gaelic medium education.
We ourselves have developed a plan for Gaelic medium education, or for the promotion of the Gaelic language over the next 3 years. And we are hoping, we have a target that 50% of all the children coming into school at the age of 5 will go through Gaelic medium education. We believe that that is the best way of sustaining the language.
喺到2014年，達到5歲以上嘅學生啊，都先至接觸過2年教育。無論係提出成年學教，又係幕後推動嘅非政府組織，也都透過各種嘅訴求來寫家長。
The local authority at the moment is starting a new policy to try and increase the uptake of Gaelic, and they're trying various strategies, things like directly telephoning parents of preschool children and asking them to consider it. We do open days so that parents can come in and see what a Gaelic medium unit is like. They can see how the children learn, what they do in the classroom, and that generally takes place near the end of the primary 1 year. So they can see how children who've come in have developed in 1 year. And that sometimes persuades them that it's a good idea for their children.
In my role, I am trying to catch parents as soon as I can that are having babies. Even from when they have the baby, they're given an information pack. I go up to hospital, I give out packs to parents before they're discharged home that give leaflets, information, testimonials from other people that have been through Gaelic medium education, saying about the benefits and why it would be a good idea to think about putting their child into Gaelic medium education. So really, you're planting the seed in their mind as soon as the baby's born, you know, and then from there on, you're working at meeting these parents, these children, from mother and toddler groups through to nursery groups into their actual, when they actually go into primary one. So I would say I'm concentrating on birth up to the 5-year-olds when they're actually going to school.
我哋喺度喊算係小學階段，年年當見最重要嘅係愛有燃燒性。短短6-7年，強化係唔拿不個人教育嘅種子，天天嘅變態。在中學教育用辦個人化，係蘇格蘭教育當局下來嘅挑戰同目標。
We are hoping to expand Gaelic medium education in secondary schools. This is much more of a challenge for us, of course, because it is not so easy to find teachers who are specialists in their own subject. Say, for example, a physics teacher who has the linguistic ability to teach physics through Gaelic. So nationally, that's a real challenge for us in Scotland. But we are hoping to reach a stage in 3 years' time where we will deliver 8 subjects in secondary schools through the medium of Gaelic.
個人教育到蘇格蘭推行超過25年，其實兩批小教習也開始要做年齡障礙。個人係咪做得從政府所預估嘅使用人數到6年之後達到最大，開始日步嘅增加。所以看20-26年來接觸個人教育嘅人，係咪將年年代理教人融入生活，係那重要嘅，係咪將佢轉作傳家寶，傳播設計下二代。我哋訪客上向前年蘇格蘭 Stornoway 嘅採訪報道。